खासा समतेच्या भुरग्यां मदीं प्रतिभा भरिल्ली आसता। फकत गरज आसता ती ताका तेंको आनी प्रोत्साहन दिवपाची। ते मेळ्यार भुरगीं फुलून येतात। ही मोख दवरून पर्वरीच्या संजय स्कुलान ह्या म्हयन्याच्या 8 तारखेर माडाचें फेस्त घडोवन हाडपाचें थारायलां। ह्या फेस्तांत तुमकां ह्या भुरग्यांनी माडा पसून स्वताच्या हातान तयार केल्ल्यो आगळ्यो वेगळ्यो कलाकृती पळोवपाची संद मेळटली।
पर्वरीच्या पुलीस स्टेशना कडेन ह्या सुवाळ्याक सकाळीं 10:30 वरांचेर सुरवात जातली। थंयसावन लोक एकठांय जावन कांपाल मेरेन बँड वाजयत वतले। हे मिरवणुकेक सोबतशें नांवय दिलां, पासय।
We are going to have this fest as a Madache fest, and from now onwards we every year annually will have a Madache fest, and not in silo but it will be a inclusive, and we want everybody to participate in this fest.
The main aim of the festival is we have to showcase Goa. We got amazing heritage here. We got amazing food, music, theatre, dance, diversity, plants, beaches. Another unique aspect about these festivals are that we want it to be sustainable. It is not just having one day and finishing. So when we say sustainable, as Madam has just said, every year it's going to happen. But we are going to add something else which is going to be sustainable here. It's called Made in and Make in Porvorim Sukur Mini Market.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्याम च्यारी।